Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to make skin brightening rice face scrub. This scrub can be used by all skin type people. This scrub will lighten and clear the blemishes. Let's get into the video. The ingredients we need to make this scrub. First, rice flour. Rice flour will act as a great exfoliator. Next thing is wild turmeric powder. You can use the normal turmeric powder, but it is better to use wild turmeric powder as it will not stain your face and clothes, and it has antibacterial properties. Next, curd. Curd also has many antibacterial properties. Curd can be used by both oily and dry skin people. Finally, honey. Honey is good in moisturization. Honey will be helpful to get rid of those acne-causing bacteria. Take a clean bowl, add in a tablespoon of rice flour, and add in half a tablespoon of wild turmeric powder. Add in a tablespoon of curd, and finally add in half a tablespoon of honey. Mix them well to get a smooth and creamy consistency that is easy to spread on your face and neck. Apply this scrub to all over your face and neck evenly and start massaging it in a gentle circular motion for 2 to 3 minutes. Wash this off with lukewarm water and pat dry your skin. You can feel the difference on your skin from the very first use itself. Regular usage of this scrub will give you a flawless glow. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified for the upcoming videos. If you have any suggestion for this video, please comment about that.